Simple and delicious spaghetti. Hello, everyone. Today, we will make spaghetti. We need spaghetti, tomatoes, salt, oil, and water. First, we fill a pot with water. We add a little salt and oil. We heat the water until it boils. Next, we put the spaghetti in the boiling water. We cook it for 10 minutes. Then, we drain the water from the spaghetti. We add tomatoes to make sauce. We mix the spaghetti and the sauce. Our spaghetti is ready. We can eat it for dinner. It is simple, delicious and filling. Enjoy your spaghetti.